Did you know? The Bermuda Triangle is a mysterious ocean region where countless ships and planes have vanished without any trace left behind. Nestled in the western Atlantic Ocean, this enigmatic area stretches between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, forming a deadly triangular zone. For centuries, sailors and pilots have whispered tales of doom in this vast expanse, where the sea swallows vessels whole. The legend began in earnest during the 20th century, fueled by bizarre disappearances that defied all logical explanations and investigations. One infamous case is Flight 19, a squadron of 5 Navy bombers that vanished during a routine training mission in 1945. The pilots reported compass malfunctions and disorientation before radio contact was lost forever over the turbulent Atlantic waters. A massive rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared, adding 13 more souls to the Triangle's grim tally. No wreckage or bodies were ever recovered, leaving experts baffled and sparking worldwide intrigue about supernatural forces at play. Another chilling incident involves the USS Cyclops, a colossal Navy cargo ship carrying over 300 men in 1918. Loaded with manganese ore, it sailed from Brazil toward Baltimore but never arrived, vanishing silently without any distress signal. President Woodrow Wilson himself pondered the mystery, as theories swirled from mutiny to structural failure, yet nothing was proven. The Mary Celeste, found adrift in 1872 with crew missing but cargo intact, is often linked to the Triangle's curse. Tables set for dinner, lifeboat gone, yet no signs of struggle, painting a picture of sudden, inexplicable abandonment at sea. Over the decades, more than 50 ships and 20 aircraft have met similar fates in this perilous oceanic graveyard. Commercial flights, yachts, and even submarines have been claimed, their last positions plotted within the Triangle's invisible boundaries. Survivors' accounts are rare, but those who escaped describe rogue waves, electronic fog, and instruments spinning wildly out of control. What dark secrets lurk beneath the waves? Some blame ancient Atlantis ruins emitting powerful energy fields that disrupt navigation. Crystals from the lost civilization, buried deep, allegedly create portals, sucking vessels into alternate dimensions or time warps. Others point to extraterrestrial involvement, with UFO sightings reported just before disappearances, suggesting alien abductions over the open sea. Glowing orbs and strange lights dancing on the horizon fuel speculation of otherworldly beings harvesting human technology and lives. Paranormal enthusiasts cite magnetic anomalies, where compasses point true north instead of magnetic north, confusing even seasoned navigators. The Sargasso Sea within the Triangle, a floating mass of seaweed, traps ships in its weed-choked, windless expanse forever. Methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor could explain sudden sinkings, as bubbles reduce water density, causing vessels to plunge. These hydrates release explosively, igniting engines or creating massive craters that swallow planes mid-flight without leaving debris. Human error plays a role too, with pilots and captains misjudging the Gulf Stream's powerful currents in stormy conditions. Tropical hurricanes form rapidly here, unleashing fury that shreds sails and wings, scattering remnants across vast, unforgiving waters. Skeptics argue the Triangle's reputation is overstated, as busy shipping lanes naturally see more accidents than remote ocean areas. Insurance companies like Lloyd's of London report no higher loss rates here, debunking myths with cold, hard statistical data. Yet the allure persists, inspiring books, films, and documentaries that romanticize the danger and feed our fascination with the unknown. Charles Berlitz's bestseller in 1974 popularized the enigma, blending facts with fiction to captivate millions of readers worldwide. Hollywood blockbusters depict heroes battling sea monsters or navigating wormholes, turning real tragedies into thrilling cinematic adventures. Modern technology like GPS and satellite tracking has reduced incidents, but the Triangle still claims occasional victims mysteriously. In 2015, a cargo ship with 33 crew vanished during Hurricane Joaquin, echoing past horrors anew. Search efforts yielded only life rings and debris, no survivors, reigniting debates about the region's supernatural or scientific perils. Oceanographers study underwater features, like deep trenches and volcanic vents, seeking clues to the persistent pattern of losses. Seismic activity might trigger tsunamis or gas releases, explaining why some ships sink rapidly without time for mayday calls. Pilots train for instrument failures, simulating the triangle's reported electronic blackouts to prepare for potential real-world encounters. Conspiracy theorists link it to government experiments, like Project Magnet, allegedly manipulating magnetic fields for secret military purposes. Whispers of wormholes connecting to parallel universes add a sci-fi twist, where lost souls wander eternally in limbo. Environmentalists warn of climate change worsening storms, potentially increasing disappearances in this already volatile stretch of ocean. Divers explore sunken wrecks, finding eerie remnants like intact planes on the seabed, frozen in time's embrace. Marine archaeologists catalog artifacts, piecing together stories of crews who faced the triangle's wrath centuries ago. Satellite imagery reveals unusual wave patterns, rogue swells up to 100 feet tall that capsize even massive tankers. Biologists note bizarre sea life behaviors, schools of fish fleeing areas before alleged gas eruptions bubble to the surface. Historians trace early accounts to Christopher Columbus, who reported strange lights and compass deviations during his voyages. His logs describe a fireball plunging into the sea, foreshadowing centuries of anomalies in the same cursed waters. Native American legends speak of a devouring spirit in the Atlantic, consuming travelers who dare cross its domain. European explorers echoed these fears, mapping the area as haunted, advising sailors to steer clear at all costs. World War II heightened mysteries, with Allied convoys reporting U-boat attacks or vanishings blamed on enemy subterfuge. Post-war investigations by the US Navy dismissed supernatural claims, attributing losses to weather and human miscalculations instead. Yet, declassified files hint at unexplained phenomena, fueling freedom of information requests from curious researchers globally. Television specials dissect survivor testimonies, replaying harrowing escapes from what felt like an invisible force's grip. Podcasters debate theories weekly, interviewing experts who clash over science versus the paranormal in heated discussions. Tour companies offer Bermuda Triangle cruises, promising thrills for adventure seekers willing to tempt fate on calm seas. Safety briefings emphasize modern navigation tools, reassuring passengers that myths are just that, despite lingering doubts. Amateur sleuths use drones and sonar to map the seafloor, hunting for undiscovered wrecks that hold final answers. Crowd-funded expeditions deploy submersibles, capturing footage of abyssal plains where lost ships rest in silent darkness. Climate models predict rising sea levels, altering currents, possibly shifting the triangle's boundaries in unpredictable ways. Quantum physicists speculate on entanglement effects, where distant events influence the region's bizarre navigational quirks. Linguists analyze distress calls, noting patterns in final words that suggest confusion rather than outright panic. Artists paint surreal scenes of vanishing fleets, capturing humanity's awe at nature's unforgiving and enigmatic power. Musicians compose haunting scores, evoking the triangle's melancholy through eerie melodies that echo lost souls' cries. Writers pen novels of survival, heroes unraveling secrets amid tempests that blur reality and hallucination's edge. Gamers navigate virtual triangles, solving puzzles tied to historical disappearances in immersive digital worlds. Educators use the myth to teach critical thinking, dissecting hype from facts in classroom debates worldwide. Psychologists explore why humans crave mysteries, finding comfort in the unknown amid our controlled modern lives. Futurists envision autonomous ships crossing safely, AI overriding the glitches that plagued human-operated vessels before. Environmental probes monitor gas levels, alerting mariners to potential eruptions before they claim more unwitting victims. International treaties propose shared research, uniting nations to demystify the triangle through collaborative scientific endeavors. As satellites beam constant data, the veil lifts slowly, revealing a natural wonder rather than a supernatural trap. Yet questions remain unanswered, whispers of the vanished lingering like fog over the eternal blue expanse. Each new theory sparks hope for closure, families of the lost clinging to any thread of explanation offered. Media cycles revive the legend periodically, ensuring the Bermuda Triangle endures in popular culture's grip. From ancient mariners to today's explorers, the allure draws us in, challenging our understanding of the world. Perhaps the true mystery lies not in the sea, but in our endless quest for answers amid uncertainty. As technology advances, we edge closer to unraveling the enigma that has puzzled generations for so long. But until then, the triangle stands as a testament to nature's power and humanity's enduring curiosity. So venture forth with caution, for the ocean holds secrets that may forever elude our grasp. Remember the tales of those who vanished, their stories a warning etched in the waves' relentless rhythm. Did you know? The Bermuda Triangle's mysteries continue to captivate, blending fact with legend in an eternal oceanic riddle.